Thank you very much. This is yet another class, another lesson. And today we'll be looking at Igbo JSS 1, third term scheme of work. Okay, this is the last class. This is week 10, which is the last class for third term in JSS 1 Igbo language. But we'll be looking at the last topic, which is where we'll continue with akara edemede. That's where we'll continue. Continuation, which is akara edemede. They will now enter uru akara edemede bara. We'll point them out and tell you uru, that is the advantages, the benefit of akara edemede. We have number 1, which is bomb, which is full stop. Bomb bụ otu n'ime akara edemede dị ezigbo mkpa. A na-eji ya egosi nkwụsị ahịrịokwu ọbụla. Na kpọm adịghị n'ahịrịokwu, ọ na-egosi na ahịrịokwu ahụ ka na-aga n'ihu. So in every sentence where you see kpọm, which is full stop, that shows that that is the end of the sentence. It's very, very important in Igbo. Even in English, it's very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. Thank you very much. We have examples here. 1, nne m gara ụka. You saw full stop there. That means that is the end. You have the next one, which ha gbara ọsọ. Ha gbara ọsọ. You saw full stop here, which is bomb. That is the end. The next one, Ada na-ede ihe. Ada na-ede ihe. Ada is writing. Bomb. That is the end. Thank you. Okay, the next one. Okay, the fourth one, anyị nwere ego. We have money. So full stop there. That is the end. The next one, nna m toro ogologo. My father is tall. Is your father tall? I don't know. So that is the thing. Just the sentence they use there. Now, a na-etinyekwa kpọm mgbe a na-edebiri aha mmadụ edebiri dịka B.A. Akunne. They put kpọm when you want to shorten somebody's name. Like my name is Obinwa Chukwugozie Chiuzie. Now, if you want to shorten my name, you can write it as C Obinwa. Instead of writing Obinwa Chukwugozie Chiuzie, you write C, then Obinwa. Just like this one now you are seeing. B, A, Akunne is somebody's name. You now have M, N, Ike. You now have GCE, General Certificate of Education. You see it? It's an abbreviation. You can use it to abbreviate this thing. Any write-up. Then you have recom, which is comma. Akara edemede a na-enye aka iku ume mgbe a na-agụ edemede ọbụla. Yes. For you to take a breath, when you see comma in any writing, in any sentence, what does that mean? Just when you see comma, Obi is coming, you see comma, that means you have to take a deep breath. Rest more, then continue. Allows you to take a breath. We have examples here. Number 1 is ndị gbara ọsọ bụ Ụzọka, comma, which is Rịkọm, Ụzọka Rịkọm, Uche Rịkọm, Obinna na Ngozi. So that it will make sense. You cannot say ndị gbara ọsọ Ụzọka, Uche, Obinna, Ngozi. So it doesn't make sense. So you have to put Rịkọm there so that there will be a breathing. So that's why people who doesn't know how to read, you see them reading, they don't observe Rịkọm, which is comma. They don't observe full stop. They don't observe punctuation marks. So if you want to know the person that knows how to read very well, the person must be observing those punctuation marks. I know you are not one of them. If you are, go and reevaluate yourself. Number 2, ọ zụtara akwa akpụkpọ ụkwụ ịchapụ na oche. Another example, so commadia. Number 3, anyị mara otu esi eme ncha, ude, ọgwụ na ude. The next one, ụmụnne m bụ Uche, Ọlụchi, Onyinye, Chiba, Nkechi na Chinenye. We have another one which is Rịkọm elu. Under the Rịkọm elu, we have Rịkọm elu. We have a na-ede ya mgbe na-eso ụda ume iji mechie okwu. We have ịma atụ. Ịma atụ, onye nkụzi ya kpọrọ ya itibọrịbọ. So, itibọrịbọ. Okay. Onye nkụzi ya kpọrọ ya itibọrịbọ. The teacher called him or her illiterate. This teacher is serious. So. Number 2, ọ sị ya bịa ebe a. 3, ọ nọ n'elu osisi. 4, ọ ga-abịa n'ụbọchị taa. 5, anyị gara n'oge ụtụtụ. So that is that for that. You have the next one, which is the next punctuation, which is akara ajụjụ, question mark. A na-eji akara ezipụta ahịrịokwu bụ ajụjụ. Now, you use this punctuation mark to show the sentence that comes with what? Question. That is a question. You get it? Then number 1 is kedu aha obodo gị? What is the name of your town? Number 2, ole ka unu dị? How many are you people? Number 3, ọkwụrụ gịnị? How much did he pay or she pay? The next one, ị gbara afọ ole? How old are you? The next one, onye kwuru okwu? Who said it? We have the next one, which is akara ntimkpu. Akara ntimkpu, which is exclamation mark. Nke a bụ akara eji egosi mgbe ihe mere n'ike ma ọ bụ mgbe etiri mkpu. This one shows that when something, it shows in a sentence, when you see it, it shows that something happened, immediately, or something happened suddenly. You use this sign there as exclamation mark. Chimo. I have Chimo, my God, oh. Chimo means my God, oh, which is that number 1. Chimo, which means my God, oh. The number 2 is shy. Shy, which means high or something of that nature. You have the next one, which is oh, like oh God, oh God, oh. You have the next one, which is efuola mo. I'm lost, oh, is exclamation, this thing, punctuation. You have kpọmkpọm. A na-eji akara edemede a agụdo otu ihe siri mee, dịka ọ gara ahịa zụtasịa ihe ndị a. They use this kind of punctuation mark to show how things happen, or the list of things. Ọ gara ahịa zụtasịa ihe ndị a. He or she went to the market to buy these things. You see it, kpọmkpọm. Iko, efere, ngaji na ite. Iko means cup, efere means plate, ngaji means spoon, ite means pot. Anyị na ndị gbara agbata obi ndị a. Okay, anyị na ndị a gbara agbata obi. Idoma, Edo, TV. That's these people are our neighbors. We have akara uhie. A na-ahụkarị akara uhie n'ahịrịokwu mgbe na ga na-arụ ọrụ dịka enyemaka ngwa. We have anyị ga-esi ofe taa. We will cook soup today. Ha na-eri akpụ na onugbu. They are eating fufu and bitter leaf soup. Uche na-agụ akwụkwọ ya. Uche is reading his or her book. Onye nkuzi anyị na-ede ihe. Our teacher is writing. A na-enwekwa akara uhie n'okwu ndị nwere akara ụda elu na ụda nsụda, dịka ime, to do, ịta, to chew, ịsa, to sweep, ibe, to cry, ịrụ, to walk, and so many of them. Okay. Then uru akara edemede, that is benefit or advantages of punctuation marks. 1. Ọ na-eme ka edemede dị mma n'anya. It makes the sentence to make sense. 2. Ọ na-eme ka edemede dị ụtọ na ọgụgụ. It makes the sentence to be sweet while reading it. Ọ na-eme ka akpọpụta okwu Igbo nke ọma. It makes, while reading, you read the Igbo language very well. Ọ na-eme ka enweta nghọta zuru oke na edemede. Yes, it helps in reaching proper understanding in any writing, Igbo writing. Eji ya akpọpụta okwu Igbo. Ọ bụ n'ihi na ọtụtụ okwu Igbo nwere otu nsupe. They use it to call out the Igbo words properly. We have like example, aqua, which is cry, aqua bed, you see it. Aqua cloth, aqua egg. I start afresh. Aqua cry, aqua bed, aqua cloth, aqua egg. We have another one which is easy head, easy head, easy smell, easy leader, easy to cook. Another one which is eke market, eke gizzard, eke to tie, ike to tie something, eke python. Okay. Okay, so this is where we'll come to the end of this class. If you have any question, you can call. No, don't call. You can WhatsApp us on 070-88-742-960. Please don't call, just WhatsApp 070-88-742-960. If you want us to take you on reading and writing class, be it adult or kids, or reading Igbo or English, contact us. And if you want us to prepare your kids on common entrance preparation, junior WAEC, senior WAEC, mathematics, English, science subjects, just get us informed. We are Wuzie Academy HSA, an education agency. Call us on 081-3357-7465. 081-3357-7465. 081-3357-7465. Pursue knowledge. Pursue knowledge. Thank you very much.